In this question, we have to draw a graph with some data that is given to us. Now, this is side of a square in centimeters 2, 3, 3.5, 5 and 6, and this is the perimeter of that square, and the perimeter of the square is 8, 12, 14, 20 and 24. Obviously, when the side is changing, the perimeter will change, because perimeter is 4 into side. So, as the side is increasing, we find that the perimeter is also increasing. Now, we have to draw a graph for this, and then we have to find out whether it is a linear graph or not. So, drawing the graph for this given data, this is the x axis and this is the y axis. On the x axis, we are going to take the side of the square. So, this is 0. So, this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6, and on the y axis we are having the perimeter. Perimeter is up to 24. Now, if I write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I will never be able to reach 24, because the graph paper has limited space. So, we have to divide this y axis in such a manner that we will get 24. So, for that we can take 2, 4, 6, 8, take 2 gaps, or we can take gaps of 4. So, let us say we are taking 1 centimeter as 4 units. So, this will be 4, 8, 12, 16, this will be 20 and 24. So, we have taken intervals of 4 units on the y axis, whereas on the x axis we have taken 1 unit as 1 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter is representing 1 unit here. So, here we have just changed that in order to accommodate this value 24. Now, how are we going to plot this? Now, here the side of the square is 2 and the perimeter is 8. So, we are going to take 2 and 8 as the first ordered pair. That means, the value of x is 2, because we have taken the side here on the x axis, and we have taken the perimeter on the y axis, and both are in centimeters. So, first point 2, 8 indicates x is 2 and y is 8. So, the first point will be here. We have taken x is 2 and y is 8. Next, 3 and 12. So, ordered pair, x is 3, y is 12. So, 3 and 12 indicates the point will be here. So, first point was 2, 8, next is 3, 12. Next is 3.5 and 14. Now, 3.5 means that point will lie between 3 and 4. In fact, it is the midpoint of 3 and 4. So, you have 10 divisions here. The fifth division will correspond to 3.5. So, 3.5 and 14. Now, 14 means this is 12 and this is 16. So, the midpoint of 12 and 16 will be 14. So, that will be actually, if there are 10 divisions, the fifth division will correspond to 14. So, we have 3.5, midpoint of 3 and 4, and midpoint of 12 and 16 as the coordinate for y, 14. So, we have 3.5 and 14. Next, we have 5 and 20. 5 and 20 indicates that x is 5 and the value of y is 20. So, x 5, y 20, take that point here. So, that point is going to be approximately here. Next one, 6 and 24. So, x is 6 and y is 24. So, bring these 2 points, they are going to intersect somewhere here. So, now what do we observe? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points as given in the question, and now you have to join this. If it is straight, it will lie, you can join, it is a linear graph. If it is straight, if it is curved, then it will not be joined with the scale, you have to draw it with the free hand. However, in this case we find that all the points can be joined with the help of a scale, and they will lie in a straight line, and such type of graphs are called linear graphs. So, the plot between the side of a square and its perimeter is a linear graph, because on plotting we observe that all the points, all the 5 points here are lying on the same straight line. So, we can name these points also. The first point is 2, 8, the next point is 3, 12, always the x coordinate written first, then we have 3.5 and 14, next we have 5 and 20, and next we have 6 and 24. So, we observe that all the points obtained were in a straight line. So, this is an example of a linear graph.